Okay, guys. So first of all, um, I would like to introduce myself. My name is Kashif. I am from India, Mumbai. I have somewhere around 13 years of practical IT experience. Okay, so my name is Kashif. I am from Mumbai. I have somewhere around 13 years of practical IT experience. I have expertise on various technologies, but SCCM and Intune have been my primary focus ever since I started working. So I have completed my graduation from Mumbai University, and after completing my graduation, I started working as a um, level one engineer in SCCM team. So I um, worked in SCCM level one, level two, level three team, and now I'm working as architect. So my primary roles and responsibility is to design and implement technologies for organization. Apart from my day-to-day activity, I am involved in training, wherein I have trained uh, more than 30,000 students globally. Okay, more than 30,000 students globally. So that's about me, guys. Um, Now I am going to discuss about the duration of this training. So this, so the duration is going to be for 30 days, 30 to 35 days maximum. Okay. We will do daily 1 hour session, 1 hour daily. Daily means Monday to Friday, weekdays. Okay. Monday to Friday, 1 hour session daily we will do to finish all the topics. Okay. So, and what time we will do? We will do at 7 a.m. IST, 7 a.m. IST to 8 a.m. IST, daily basis, 1 hour session. Okay, so that is um, the duration. Now, what is Intune? Okay, so Intune is a Microsoft product. Okay, basically we do two things from Intune. Intune helps us to perform MDM, mobile device management, and mobile application management. So there are two things which we do using Intune. We can manage mobile devices and we can uh, manage applications, okay, using Intune. So why do we need to manage mobile devices and why do we need to manage application? We will discuss about them later on. Now, what all mobile devices you can manage? So you can manage uh, Windows devices, Windows 10 or 11. You can manage Android devices. Then you can manage iOS devices, Mac devices. Okay. You can manage Linux and Chrome OS. These are the operating systems which you can manage through Intune. Now for mobile application management, you can manage applications. For example, Microsoft 365 application you can manage. You can manage Teams application, right? You can manage other uh, third-party applications as well. Okay, third-party apps. Now, why do we need to manage devices? What is the reason to manage? Suppose this is your mobile device and this is your laptop. Okay, so this one is your, I mean, these are the devices which you have received from organization. The organization has given you these uh, devices to access what? To access company resources. So company resource. You are accessing company resources, company data on these devices. Okay. Now these devices will be controlled by Intune. So it will be sending policies, right? Intune will be sending policy. Intune can send applications. It can send updates. It can send configuration profiles, right? It can send uh, configuration profile, then settings, okay, to the devices, to mobile devices, to laptops. Suppose you lost your you lost your device, okay, while you know you were accessing this device, but you lost. So from Intune, we can wipe this device, factory reset, or you forgot password, okay, you forgot password. You are not able to log into this device. So from Intune, you can reset password. Okay. So you will have complete control on the devices. That's the reason we need to manage the devices. Are you guys clear with this so far?
Yes.
Right?
Yes.
So why Intune? Why not any other product? Okay. Why Intune? So I will let you know why you should learn Intune rather than other technologies in terms of managing devices or managing application. First of all, Intune is a matured product. Matured means it is there in the market for the past 14 years. Okay, it's a matured product since it is there, released by Microsoft since 2010. So it's there in the market for the past 14 years. Point number two, almost all big size and medium size organization you will find Intune. Wherever you go, you will find Intune almost everywhere. After this COVID-19, this has picked up like anything. People are implementing Intune in their organization to manage their devices because it helps to manage devices on the internet. Okay. Point number three, almost the second point, almost all big size and medium size have this one. Good vacancies are there. Okay, good vacancies because of this being implemented. Almost all big size and medium size companies, you have good vacancies, good salary as well. You can get somewhere around, if you are in US, you can expect a salary of 50 US dollar per hour, 50 US dollar per hour. If you are in India, you can expect um, how much? You can expect 800,000 Indian rupees per year. Okay, INR, Indian rupees. Average salary. These are average salary. You might be getting more than this or less than this, but this is the average salary. It's a good salary. Okay, 50 US dollar per hour and 800,000 Indian rupees per year. Point number five, less competitors, less number of competitors. So Intune competitors are uh, like BlackBerry, okay, BlackBerry, then Soti. These are other Intune competitors. Okay, BlackBerry, Soti. Then we have um, Goods. Then we have Mobile Iron. Okay, Mobile Iron. Then we have um, Zen Mobile. Then AirWatch. These are the competitors of Intune, but they are not as big as Intune. Intune is like almost everywhere, but these are like, very l- uh, small in front of Intune. Okay, the way Intune is being implemented, um, you will find less number of implementation for these competitors. Point number six, um, easy to learn, easy to learn. So as Intune administrator, right, you will find it easy to learn this technology and you will start working on Intune rather than other technologies. Point number seven, um, no coding languages, no coding or programming languages are involved. No coding or programming. You don't have any coding languages or programming languages involved in this one. Okay. Well, we don't have any C, C++ or Java to learn. Okay. Less number of competitors, easy to learn, no programming, no coding. Then good future. The way Intune is being implemented, you have good future in this one. Okay. So um, point number nine, which is very important, it um, can manage Windows 10, 11 laptops plus desktop. This is the one of the great features of Intune. Now, Windows 10 desktop and laptop. Other other competitors like BlackBerry, Soti, Goods, Mobile Line, Zen Mobile, these are mainly focused on Android and iOS. They are managing Android devices, iOS devices, iPad devices, but Intune is the one, okay, which is focusing on these devices like Android devices, iOS devices, Mac operating system, plus Windows 10 and Windows 11. This is one of the great feature of Intune. That's the reason people are focusing more and more on Intune, and they are considering Intune rather than other um, mobile device management solution from the different vendor. Okay, so using Intune, what all things you can do? You can do apps deployment, identity management, device compliance, conditional access. You can find out how many devices are compliant, how many devices are non-compliant. You can integrate various technologies like SCCM, Configuration Manager, Windows Autopilot, right? Defender. See, I'm Microsoft Defender, Microsoft Windows Auto Patch, Endpoint Analytics, Microsoft 365. You can integrate Google Play Store, Apple Token, TeamViewer, Red Defense services. Okay. Um, Intune.microsoft.com. Let me take you to my Intune portal. This is my Intune portal, and at the left hand side, I have devices, all the devices. So I have 3 Windows devices and 1 Android device. So when I go to all devices, you see the list of all the devices what I got. Okay, so this is my Android device, and these are my Windows devices. Okay, so I can, if I click on this Android device, I have option to wipe, retire, delete, remote log, sync, reset password, send notification. I can see the hardware inventory of that device. I can see what all applications are installed on that device, right? Similarly, if I go to the Windows device, for example, this device, I have option to do various tasks like retire, wipe, delete, sync, restart, collect diagnostic, fresh start, okay, full scan, autopilot reset, update Windows Defender security intelligence. Okay, so we will see all these things later on, how we can bring devices here, how we can deploy policies, how we can deploy applications to the devices, how we can manage the devices. Okay, so this is just for your information. I'm not going into details, guys. Okay, guys, any question from anyone?
I think so. I'm clear.
Elizabeth, Vinod,
No, no
Hemant,
questions.
no question. So we will start tomorrow. What time? We are going to do the session from tomorrow, 7 a.m. India time. 7 a.m. Which time zone you are in, Elizabeth?
Eastern Standard Time.
Okay, IST. So we will do session tomorrow at 7 a.m. to 8 a.m. India time, which is for you, Elizabeth, it will be, I think, 8:30 p.m. Huh?
Yes,
Eastern
that's
time,
correct.
I think. Okay, 8:30 p.m. 8:30 to 9:30. Okay.
Okay, thank you.
Anybody in different time zone? Hemant and
No, no. No, sir. No, no.
Vinod. Okay. Okay, guys. So I hope I have given you ample amount of information how to proceed with this. We will do the practical. Okay. Um, 1 minute. I will open the course content. This is the course content of Intune. If you have not received it, I will send it to you on WhatsApp. So we are going to do all these things in our training session. So basically, this is focused on the administration, complete administration plus the certification exam. So after this training, if you are interested in taking exam, then the exam is MD 102. And after taking this exam, you become endpoint administrator. Okay, when you take this exam. So in that exam, you will be asked about Microsoft Intune, Microsoft 365, Windows Autopilot, Microsoft Defender for Endpoint, and Microsoft Entra ID. Okay, so we will be discussing about these things. The
Yeah, I have
cost
one
of
question.
mm,
How much experience I need to put on the resume after the course has been completed?
minimum 2 years.
Getting more calls. Hmm? Minimum 2 years.
Yes,
SCCM with Intune?
SCCM, if you know, then you
Yeah, I
can,
know SCCM little bit.
okay, so then you can give more experience. Like, it depends on you how much experience you got in Intune and how much experience you got in SCCM. SCCM is also similar, but um, if you have good knowledge on SCCM, it will be easier for you to understand this. Plus, you will be able to, you will get more calls as well.
Okay.
Okay. So 2 years for Intune and let's say 2 years for SCCM, something like that. So total 4 years of experience you can put and bifurcate them like this. Okay.
Yeah, yeah, okay, thank you.
Now the exam cost is 4,800 rupees, Indian rupees. And if you are in USA or different countries, then it's gonna cost you 165 US dollar. Okay. All good, guys.
Yes.
Yes.
Okay. So those who are interested to continue from tomorrow, 7 a.m. India time, then you need to contact me on WhatsApp or call on this number 98923543331. So I will give you the details about enrollment process and the payment details. You need to make payment and then we can continue from tomorrow. +91 is the India country code, and this is my number 98923543331. Okay, guys.
Sure, sir. Yeah.
Okay, thank you.
Thank
Okay,
you.
thank you.
Bye now.
Okay, thank you.